Hi,
Hi, my name is Emily.
and I'm Preston, and this is our thermal house modeling using OpenStudio.
So this project was used to estimate the energy consumption of a house that we modeled over a year of time. You can see the OpenStudio tab to the right that would be present when you open up the software. The first step was to import the weather file. For us, it was Traverse City, and the climate zone was assigned. And then the construction was imported, and the best materials were selected to model the house. Then geometry, facility, schedules, and thermal zones were applied. For the house design, it was a two-story home, so we modeled floor 1 and floor 2. And for the construction set, we used the deer materials, and then you can see the 3D model to the right with the 2 stories. And as well, the thermal zones and construction set were merged.
All right, so we set up a schedule for heating throughout the house. This was to determine like the amount of energy that would be consumed in the house. So we set when the heating would be on and when it would be off based on this. And our heating was created for a range between 0 and 23.07 C. This heating was the main energy consumption in the house, so we thought it needed to be highlighted here in the schedule. And the results we received was we compared the energy consumption in the model based on the actual energy consumption based on electric bills for this house. Uh, the total site energy was 68,793 k BTU. So the results differ from the actual energy consumption, and this could be due to a variety of factors. One of the biggest factors I think will be weather. Traverse City has very like wild weather conditions. One day it could be 70 degrees, the next day it could be 20 degrees. In fact, this year we had the hottest November ever, and often like we break our cold records like every year as well. No, another factor in this is that we simplified our model. We only took heat into account and we didn't take into account like water, heating, window ACs, or the number of people in the house. So this could change like the amount of energy consumption that we could receive. And now if you have any questions, that is our presentation.